Good morning, this is Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to another daily crypto tech review of EOS, Ethereum and Ripple and a glance at Bitcoin. It is Wednesday the 16th of June. Jumping straight into EOS, US dollar and the hourly candlesticks. Been a bit of a bearish start to the day. Going to need to see EOS move through the pivot at 54.80 to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 57.36. Going to need support from the broader market for EOS to break out from Tuesday's high that was at 56.52. Failure to break back through the pivot is going to bring the first major support level sitting at 53.03 into play. Barring an extended sell-off, we should see EOS avoid sub 250. Second major support level sits at 50.44. Moving across to the daily candlesticks, we're seeing EOS struggle within this area, within this zone at the moment. Going to need to avoid a pullback through this support level at 242 to avoid the key support level sitting at 226. Fall through this key support level and we're going to see the bullish trend reverse. Breakout going to be needed through today's resistance levels to bring this key resistance level at 311 into play. Going to need to see EOS break out from 311s to maintain the near-term bullish trend formed back at mid-March. Again, we're seeing this key time for EOS at the moment. Failure to break out will bring these key support levels into play. Moving across to Ethereum against the dollar in the hourly candlestick. Again, a bit of a mixed day for Ethereum. Going to need to see Ethereum avoid a fall back through the pivot that sits at 233.40 to support a run at this first major resistance level sitting at 237.98. Again, we're going to need support from the broader market for Ethereum to break out from Tuesday's high that was at 236.02. Fall back through the pivot is going to bring this first major support level sitting at 230.74 into play. Barring an extended sell-off through the day, Ethereum should avoid the second major support level sitting at 226.14. Moving across to the daily candlestick. Break through the day's first major resistance level would bring this key resistance level sitting at 253 into play. Again, we're going to need to see Ethereum break out from 253s and a 23.6% fib. That's at 257 to support this near-term bullish trend. A pullback through to sub 220s and through the day's first major support level would bring this key support level sitting at 176.43 into play near term, and that would bring a reversal of this near-term bullish trend. So steering clear of sub 220s and a breakout through towards 250 is key through the coming days. Moving across to Ripple's XRP against the dollar. Going to need to see Ripple move back through the pivot at 1922 to support a bullish day and a run at the first major resistance level sitting at 1944. Going to need support from that broader market to break out from Tuesday's high that was at 19409. Failure to break back through the pivot is going to bring this first major support level sitting at 1903 into play. We should see Ripple avoid the second major support level sitting at 1882. If there is an extended sell-off, however, that a third major support level sitting at 1842 would come into play. Finally, looking at Ripple's daily candlesticks, better start to the day. We're going to need to see Ripple avoid that support level sitting here at 1840. Fall through that, and then we're going to see this key support level sitting at 1750 come into play. And then if we see Ripple fall through that, we're going to have a reversal of this near-term bullish trend. The breakout from this key support level here sitting at 2150 would support upward momentum, and then we're going to need to see Ripple break through to 2350 levels to continue this bullish trend that was formed back at mid-March. Finally, having a look at Bitcoin and the hourly candlesticks. Again, it's been a bearish start to the day for Bitcoin, dragging the market into the red. 9,500 is a key level at the moment. Bitcoin failing to break out from there. We're going to see a breakout from 9,500 and again a run at 9,900s to support the broader market. So look out for a breakout from 9,500 on the day to support the pack.